What's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew, Vic, and the JoJo Lena, and today we're going to teach you how to land more jobs and get the hauling and balling. And the very first thing you need to do is always answer your phone. I don't care if you're taking a deuce or you're fishing like my buddy Todd. You see that shit? You got that? You get it?
A job right now? Oh, yeah, I'll give you a call back in about 10 minutes. Thank you very much.
Oh my
All right.
God! You better answer that phone and line that job up.
And the next thing you want to do is put them on the calendar as fast as you can. Do not procrastinate at that. Get that done as soon as possible before they change their mind.
And the third thing you always want to do is when you give an estimate, always show up in uniform with your truck and trailer ready to work. So if you get the job, you can get it done right then.
So keep watching the video because throughout this video, we're going to give you more tips on how to land more jobs.
So we're at the first job of the day. It's for a contractor. You ready to get this money or what?
I am so ready. Let's start our day.
Let's do this. So this contractor calls me at least once a week, and whenever he does, I always try to get here as soon as possible so I can get the job done, and that's what you should do too. So we're done with that one. It took, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, construction jobs tend to take a little bit longer.
They're dirty, they're filthy, but they pay that good moolah. And we're heading to the next one, and it's 3 minutes away, and it's for the same contractor. So you ready?
I am so ready. 3 minutes away?
Let's do it. So we're here at the next job, and I was kind of skeptical when the contractor told me we can do it all in one load. JoJo, weren't you?
I was too, but check it out. This will totally fit all in one load.
Nice way to top off the morning with a full load, baby. Then it'll be coffee time, and we'll be heading to the next one, and we'll give you more tips how to land more jobs if you're kind of slow right now.
Yes, how to land more jobs. Who doesn't want to do that?
I know, I love landing jobs.
Tip of the day, especially when you're pulling up to construction jobs, always be on the lookout for nails and screws.
Now here's my tip of the day. Whenever you got a full load and you can't open the doors really, just lift the dump up and make it easy for yourself. And have the JoJo hand it off to you, and you just toss it on in. And another thing you never want to do is take something if you're unsure. Always call the contractor up and ask them, does this go? Send them a picture or FaceTime them, and just make sure, don't just dump stuff because they might get pissed at you. So you want to land more jobs? Well, here's 3 tips that will help you land more jobs. And the first one is, whenever you pull up to a customer's house, always back up in the driveway and be ready to work. So when the customer opens that front door, they know you're there for business. And number 2 is, always BS with the customer a little bit before you hit them with that price. Maybe they got a nice front yard, or maybe they got a nice Tesla sitting in the driveway, or a nice watch on their hand. Always compliment the customer and BS with them a little bit before you hit them with that price, and that will help you land more jobs. And number 3 is, let's say there's a pile over there of trash and you hit them with that price for $500 to take it all away, and they're like, that's too much. Always try to work something out with the customer. Find out what their budget is. Maybe it's $300. Let them know you can take the bulky items and leave the rest there, and you'll be surprised how many more jobs you land doing these 3 things. Now, just like that, we were in and out like In-N-Out Burger. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
$148.
I'm gonna say 133 and some change. So let's see what happens. So you guys want to land more jobs and get more money? Well, there's some things you need to do. And the first thing is be clean cut and professional, always in uniform, like I said earlier, whenever you show up to a job. And also when you hit them with that price, do it with confidence, with a smile, like you know what you're doing. Even if you have no idea, you better fake it till you make it, and it'll get better after time. It took me about a whole year to really get the pricing down correctly to where I started making a lot of money.
Yep, and it's so important to learn how to sell yourself and just have confidence and sell yourself. And if you're unsure how to do that, or if you don't feel comfortable in doing that, watch videos that teach you and motivate you and teach you how to sell yourself.
Always have a smile, learn how to read body language, and you'll be good. You'll be golden. Just keep trying, keep getting at it, keep messing up, and eventually you'll be golden. Now, the cover winner of the week for Trash Talk is
Low Desert Hauling and Junk Removal.
And I love his dump trailer with the decals. I love that black and yellow. Reminds me of my dump trailer. So he's the cover winner of the week. And check out this trailer. Now, that sucker is badass. That's a moneymaker right there.
So what not to do? Don't have your sign looking like that. Hang it up looking like that. Like, don't do that.
What the hell? That's our sign, babe.
It's what's left of our sign.
You damn haters tearing them down.
Wow.
So look who won. It was 2,100 pounds that JoJo won. About damn time.
Yeah, I got my mojo back.
What the hell?
Got it back. At the next job of the day, and this lady is supposed to have a very big table, and I think it's upstairs, so we'll have to see how we do this. But I have a tip for you, a tip to land more jobs. Answer scam phone calls. You would be surprised. We used to not answer scam phone calls, and then we did, and it was a job. So now we always answer those because you never know.
So she said it's on the second floor, baby. Now, today is a blessed day. And do you know why, JoJo?
Elevators?
There are elevators here. Check it out. The junk lord's done saved the day. Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh, we need a card. Oh, no, there's a button. Now here's my definition of easy money, a quick $200. Now, just like that, job is complete. And guess who that was?
That was a property manager.
And that's why you always keep these bad boys with you all the time. Because you never, ever know who you're going to run into. Ain't that right, JoJo?
You never know who you're going to run into. So always be prepared with business cards.
Grab yourself some business cards. If you ain't got none yet, it's a must. And you get them off Vistaprint for super cheap.
Yep, keep them in your truck, put them in your wallet, stick them in your pocket, put them in your purse.
I think we spent like $50 on like 500 or 1,000 of them.
Oh yeah, you get a
ton. So make sure you got those. So just like that, we're done for the day, and it's only noon because we got stuff to do. And keep in mind, haulers, junk guys out there, always keep your woman happy no matter what. Like the JoJo wants to get a new Tundra 4x4 so she can go hunting in Arizona. So you know what? Daddy's gonna get her that. She wants to get some chips and some pizza later on tonight with some Pepsi. So you know what? Daddy's gonna get her that. And she also wants some more power tools so she can do more hard labor work. So you know what? Daddy's gonna do that for her. So make sure you take care of the one next to you guys. And you want to say anything else, JoJo?
Yeah, it just kind of sounds like a lot of things that you want.
So if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Hopefully you made some money today. And yeah, anything else you want to say, JoJo, at all?
No, hit the like and subscribe and watch our other videos, because if you have a question, it's in a video.
And keep hauling and balling. We love all you guys.